really quick review on a new product from Glow Recipe that I have been using lately. Let me just get something out real quick that I just put in my bag. Alright, so the name of the product is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is what it looks like. I purchased it in the travel size because I wanted to try it out, and the travel size is $10. The regular price for the full size is going to run you about $34. All right. This is going to be a short and sweet review. So to tell you guys about this product, the first thing I want to tell you guys is it removes your makeup, and it's a deep cleansing cleanser. It leaves your skin soft, it brightens the skin, and removes dead skin cells. All right, so to tell you guys the benefits of this product, number one, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. So that was one of the reasons why I wanted to purchase this product. All right, so it is rich in antioxidants, vitamins. It has blueberry. It's made with blueberry extract. It's hydrating, and it has hyaluronic acids in it, so it deeply hydrates the skin. About 2 or 3 pumps is all you need. You add water, it foams up. It's very gentle. It leaves your skin refreshed. And what I do is I like to use the Vibe blueberry oil. So this is their well, it's called Blueberry Booster, but it's 100% cold pressed blueberry oil, and I apply this to my skin after using this. And this is something that I've been using. These are 2 products that I've been using on my skin together, and I have noticed a difference in my skin because, like I said, I eat blueberries all the time. It has like powerful powerful antioxidants that really help the skin. And I just thought like having a blueberry cleanser would be something amazing for the skin. So you can use this day and night. It does a really good job of removing makeup, you know. So it's very gentle, and it literally removes your makeup off your skin really easily. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is available at Sephora. And like I said, I got this for $10. You know, when you're walking out Sephora and they have like all the little you know, the spot where they get you for more money, where they got me. But I wanted to try it because it's just something that I've been looking at for a long time, and I know that blueberries are really good for the skin. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Like I said again, like skincare is so important to me. Like I honestly feel like your makeup looks so much better when you have really good skin. So put the health of your skin first. Think about using cleaner beauty products. You know, this is a clean product. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it's clean. It doesn't have harsh ingredients in it. So think about using cleaner products, because cleaner products make your skin so much fucking better. Like, sorry to curse and everything, but cleaner products make your skin a whole lot better. So yeah, all right guys, if you have any questions, let me know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, and thank you for supporting me. Bye guys.